Hello guys, welcome to our new video. So on this video we are going to learn new concept called critical level, how to mark a critical level using engulfing theory. So critical level, this level is high volume level, which has a lot of volume. So something like this. A high volume area which only consists of 10 to 20 pips. Since this is a small area, you can take trade here with a very small stop loss. It basically has high accuracy of 80 to 90%. So I'll show you how to mark a critical level. We basically mark a critical level from engulfing fail, be it a engulfing bifail or engulfing cell fail. We mark critical level from an engulfing fail zone. Here we have a zone. Now we know that this zone is called a engulfing bifail. And we also know that here we will search for cell entries. So to mark a critical level from this zone, we should mark the uppermost part of this fail zone. You can see this uppermost part, the wick zone. We should mark this part like this. If it is an engulfing bifail, you should mark the uppermost part. And if it is an engulfing cell fail, you should mark the bottommost part. You should mark the uppermost wick part. You see this like this. Now zone is mere 10 or 20 pips. Unlike here, where you have to take trade with a 50 to 60 pips SL, here you can get an entry with just 10 to 20 pips. So when prices reaches this level, critical level, you should go into M1 and search sell entries. And you can take trade from here with 10 pips with SL, which is 10 pips above the critical level. 10 pips above this level. That's how you put a stop loss using critical level. I'll show you few examples here. See here. As you can see, we have an engulfing cell fail zone, right? We have an engulfing cell fail. Now, to mark the critical level from it, we should mark the bottommost part. Yes, now we have marked the bottommost part of this level. So as you can see this, the price just touched this and flew away from here. This is the power of critical level. In critical level, as soon as price touches, it will instantly flew away or it will instantly drop because this contains a lot of volume. Things happens very quickly at a critical level. So now we have a different example here. Now you can see that this zone failed here. Now let's check the same on a higher time frame. Now see this. On higher time frame, we had a support here. The price failed in a H4 time frame perspective, but it still respected H a daily support. So when it fails on H4, you should know that it has a different setup on a higher time frame, be it daily or weekly. Now I'll show you an example for engulfing tail by. Now here we have a different situation. We can see here that engulfing by and fail. But you can also see that why it made an engulfing by fail, it also made an engulfing cell here. So in such situations, you will get two critical levels. One is this critical level, and second is the critical level of engulfing cell. Now, as you can see, we have two critical levels. If price does break this level, then it may drop from the engulfing cell from here. In such situations where the B or the engulfing cell is formed above this level, we should also mark the critical level of this thing. Now see this engulfing by fail. And if you can make critical level from it, we have a critical level here. But the price did not test here and it broke away. Here the critical level failed. As you can see, the critical level failed. But when it failed, the same critical level it used for buy. Please note this point. When a critical level for sell fails, it will act as a critical level for buy. So this is how it works. See, we have an engulfing buy fail here. Now mark the critical level. We have marked the critical level here. And as I said you before, while making a engulfing buy fail, it also made an engulfing sell on the same zone. So this will be our critical level 2. Okay guys. So this is how we mark a critical level. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you for watching.